tidy workplace underpins reliable production. Standardized order lays the foundation of quality. Standardized station operation, visualized blow molding process, sustainable implementation of lean production. Clearly zoomed areas create an orderly site everywhere. Clean dust-free equipment, regular maintenance for stable operation. Unobstructed aisles enable efficient and smooth production flow. Safe pedestrian walkways ensure secure staff passage. Special material routes, efficient and orderly handling. Precise processing, stable and controllable. Tool holders and fixtures stored in fixed positions. Regular 5S management. Regular 5S elevates assembly's workshop in environment, efficiency, and quality. Part storage zones divided by assembly procedures. Classified storage for different materials. Unified labels, easy access. Fixed management for mold parts, machine tools, and materials. Reduce collision damage, improve machining accuracy and safety. Fixed material storage with clear marking lines. Refined on-site management to standardize full commissioning process, solidify quality assurance for equipment delivery. Tidy workshop, oil-free and clutter-free machines. Clean and standardized production environment. Guarantee precision manufacturing quality. Workpieces and testing tools fixed by zones, greatly cutting commissioning time. Regular equipment maintenance, zone storage for cutters and workpieces, steadily boost processing efficiency. Standardized warehouse site management boost inbound and outbound efficiency. Realize standardized, safe, and refined material storage. Leshan Intelligent. Build a clean, efficient, safe, and standardized modern production workshop together.